Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda, coming to you today with some pieces that will help you kill it at the drag strip and not destroy your aluminum differential housing while doing so. The Steeda IRS Differential Support Brackets for your S550 Mustang. These differential brackets are designed to reinforce the forward mounting points, or what we call the ears of the factory differential, specifically when you're running the aluminum housing, whether your car was equipped with that from the factory or you've changed over to it to save weight, because again, of course, we want to take as much weight out of the car as we can and still have every advantage possible. Well, these are designed, again, to reinforce that and eliminate that single shear aspect, if you will, of those forward bolts by diffusing or displacing some of that energy back into the subframe. These support brackets create a connection between the differential ear and the subframe, and because of this, we do deem these as a hardcore race part. This means ultimately that they're designed for competition use. Not necessarily because you can't use them on the street, but more importantly, they will introduce more noise, vibration, and harshness back into the cabin. So if you're daily driving the car, but you're going to the racetrack a lot, again, you can use them, but keep in mind there will be some inherent noise that comes along with them. In addition to the strength you're going to gain with these brackets, they will also help reduce wheel hop by, again, giving you a more solid mounting point at the forward mounts. Use these with our differential insert system, and in particular with our through-bolt kit, and boy, you've got a great recipe to help reduce wheel hop and ultimately keep the energy going where it needs to the tires. Let's face it, anytime you're drag racing and you're launching the car, you need immediate energy transfer. You need strength, all of these things to turn a great ET and ultimately set that record. We proudly manufacture these in the United States at our Valdosta, Georgia facility. And of course, they're backed by our Steeda lifetime warranty. Most importantly, the Steeda hardcore differential support brackets work in conjunction with our coveted subframe braces. We've highlighted plenty of these launches, as well as how all of the stop the hop pieces work together, specifically in our recipe for a 9-second NA car. Strength, reduced wheel hop, better power transfer, and ultimately better driver confidence ultimately mean higher trap speeds and lower ETs.
Woo! 976, 143 and change. 142 short timer. All right. Sweet.
If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share with other enthusiasts. If you have any questions or comments, definitely post them below. Most importantly, ring the bell to get further notifications of upcoming videos. To see the latest and greatest things that we're up to with our Mustangs and other Fords, check us out on social media. To learn more about these, as well as so many of the other parts we offer for the Mustang and other Ford vehicles, visit us at Steeda.com. Thank you so much for watching. Steeda, speed matters.